This week we'll be hearing from John Devern, CEO of Virtual Assistant Talent. John will be telling us how to solve the talent gap with virtual assistants.
One of the major problems facing business owners and employers today is a talent shortage. Manpower Group's annual talent shortage survey indicates that 32% of U.S. employers face difficulties in filling vacancies and talent shortages. Globally, 38% of employers are facing the same difficulty. Yet 1 in 5 employers are not putting talent strategies in place to address the shortage. This has a high impact on business in that it affects productivity, company competitiveness, can cause increased turnover and reduction in morale. What can your company do to address its talent shortage? A next practice to solve your talent gap can be to look towards virtual workforce talent or virtual assistants. These are home-based workers and can be local or overseas, exponentially broadening your talent pool and potentially reducing your labor costs. Virtual assistants can be utilized to fill administrative jobs, programming jobs, accounting and bookkeeping jobs, sales and marketing jobs, graphics, web design, creative content writers, and much more.
I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come back every other Thursday of the month for a new video. Visit our website at enpinstitute.com for upcoming events and to continue the next practices exploration.